Hi, this is Mohammed Shakil here, and here I'm going to show you how you can create the multi-section solid in the Catia v5 in the part design workbench. So for creating the multi-section solid, all you need is two profiles and a guide curve. So I'm going to make the first profile over here. So I'm going to make a polygon, a hexagon, and come out of the sketch, and I'm going to make a guide curve over here. Say any kind of guide curve. Say something like this. And anyways, come out of the sketch, and I'm going to select this plane and click over here, make another plane, select the plane, give sketch, and create another hexagon, a smaller one, say, and make this point to coincide with this point. So there's a problem. So you need to make sure that you're making the right point moving, or else just manually place it. Just come out of the sketch, okay, and where's the figure? Okay. Once if you don't see the figure, you can just click over here if you ever lose. So what you can do now, select this, go to the multi-section solid, select the second sketch, and just go to the spine, select the spine, and click preview. So this is what you have. So here another point is a closing point. So what you can do, select this, go to the spine, select the spine. Here you need to put one more, add one more profile. Okay, so here is the guide curve. So your guide curve should be, when your closing point should be identical, so you can place it somewhere over here, and you can make the direction almost similar, and click the preview, and here you go. So here you have the multi-section solid being created with the spine. So let's say if you don't want to use the guide curve, so if you don't want to use this guide curve, what you can do exactly is you can just click cancel, select this, and click the multi-section, select this, and go to the coupling. Again, this closing point, replace it, and keep it somewhere over here, and over here you can select the ratio and see what happens. So this is what happens. So by default some ratio will be created so that this particular profile can be changed to this profile. So here it is. So this gives you a basic idea of the multi-section solids, where you can use this concept in almost all the cases where you require the multi-section. So I hope you like my video, so try it out. Thank you.